In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do a H payment on Melio. To get started, sign into your Melio account. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct business profile if you manage more than one. This helps you avoid sending payments from the wrong account or for the wrong company. Next, go to the Pay section. You will find it in your main navigation. From there, look toward the top right corner and click New Payment. This opens the payment setup screen, where you will enter the key details for your ACH transfer. Now enter the vendor information. Select the correct vendor from your list, or type their name if you are adding them as part of this process. Then enter the payment amount carefully, using the exact total you intend to send. After that, set the due date. The due date is important because it tells Melio when the payment should be delivered, and it also helps you keep your payables organized. As a helpful habit, double-check the amount and the date before moving forward, especially if you are paying multiple invoices. Once the basics are filled in, choose the payment method. Select Bank Transfer, ACH, or select the bank account option if that is how it is labeled in your setup. ACH is a common option for vendor payments because it moves funds directly between bank accounts. After you choose ACH, you will need to provide the vendor's bank details. Enter the vendor's routing number and account number exactly as provided. Accuracy matters here, since a single incorrect digit can cause delays or failed payments. If you do not have the vendor's bank information, use the Invite Vendor option. This allows the vendor to securely enter their own banking details, which can reduce errors and keep sensitive information out of your hands. When everything looks correct, click Confirm and Schedule. This final step reviews your payment and sets it to send based on the date you selected. Before you finalize, quickly review the vendor, amount, due date, and bank transfer method one last time, then schedule the payment with confidence. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.